subscribe and help the channel get to 150,000 subs. Hey FANS Wethu, this video is brought to you by EASYBET. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T&Cs apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. FANS Wethu TV, it's the Petway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Magesi 0. I'm joined by Tamavin.
Steve, how's it, my brother? It's nice to wake up as a champion.
Yes.
8 times
in a row.
15 times, all in all.
Yeah.
You see, I'm not going to summarize game today.
Sure.
Bragging rights.
Yeah.
Once what? Yeah. Ki chance ya ka to horela letsatsi.
Yeah.
I'm the last, or Sundowns is the last team to win a trophy and it's also the first team on a new trophy again.
Yeah.
So those are facts.
Yeah, facts.
Steve,
that's your opinion.
You see, today a lot of things were said, and I had a privilege of listening to a lot of interviews.
Yes, Tamari.
And there's a lot of people who are angry over some of the supporters.
Yes.
When you are a Sundown supporter, don't expect favor or don't expect to be liked, or don't expect good words from opposing supporters. I think Sundown supporters also need to be matured in understanding her. As a team, when you're winning, you create more enemies.
Yes.
When you are in a receiving end, Steve, not everyone will like you to be successful. There are other teams who want that space, and we've been occupying it for a long time.
Yes.
So I cannot be angry on somebody, a Besha Sundowns.
That's right.
But now, as a Sundowns fan or supporter, I must come in this platform and also defend
your team,
my team in this particular platform. With all the negative things that everyone is saying, when you must come and speak the positive things. Because of Sundowns management cannot come here and speak on behalf of Sundowns. It's FANS Wethu. Remember, people must keep on subscribing on this page, Steve, so that the channel can grow further. I mean, congratulations again. I mean, Steve, to yourselves.
Thank you,
for covering the whole season. Remember, credit also needs to be given. Now I like to give credit when it's due. So keep on the good work, Steve, and then grow further and make more money as well.
Thank you.
Remember, we as a person we also need money. We also need money. We also need a car. Maybe support our Sundowns, Steve. Maybe get the privilege of being a Sundowns fan. Not on mine haters. Not haters, Steve. People that are haters, they make you win.
Yes.
Keep on about pushing or win. If they keep on bashing, not on mine. And I cannot come in this platform and hate somebody and speak about somebody. Why Mangi? I'm saying, as a Sundowns fan, I will defend Sundowns with everything I have in this particular platform. Because this platform, it's a platform of its own. Not everyone get an opportunity, Steve, to speak his mind
Yes.
regarding football.
Yes, Tamavi.
Wabon?
Yes,
It's
Tamavi.
FANS Wethu
Yes,
who's
Tamavi.
able to do that.
Yes,
Wabon? And Fena Pirate ka se tla bo tlo bolela bo- I'm giving an example. I'm giving an example. Nkutlwelle ke fetse ke re Fena Pirate a ka se tle mo a bolela dilo tse pila ka Sundowns.
Israel.
Wabon?
Israel,
But ntho e pila ke ntho e pila.
Yes.
Now what I can say ke hore ne, if you want to be the best,
Yeah.
you must always beat the best.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ya hore Stivo di team tse feng a dira eng a dire eng, wena run your own race.
Yeah.
Wabon? You don't need
Next year, Louis.
a team to you better Sundowns.
Yeah.
Hore wena ho achieve that day.
As Pirate.
Better the team tse.
Yeah, ishapele ba.
Wabon?
Ishapele ba.
So that o kgone ho irang, o kgone ho win, o kgone ho lift.
Hey.
Wabon?
Sabat-
To lift the trophy, Stivo. Ne? Better batho ba ilong hore they in mo
In your
tseleng
way.
ya hao ba palisa hore o ireng.
Yeah.
Ba tlo se mo titlo setse bo.
Yeah.
Wabon?
Bata di fei.
O ska nyaka favor ra he na di team di team tse dingwe ke nna ke le one ke lwele. You must fight for your own survival.
Ready.
Titwele.
It's ready.
Wabon?
Tamavi, not celebrate today. Ask her about this problem.
No, remember.
Ask her about this problem.
No. As much as we celebrate, as I said, maybe I want capture. I'm saying, or I've listened to other interviews, and the interviews say, the trigger your respond or the trigger your interview.
Yes.
To try and close the loopholes.
Yeah.
If loopholes were opened, people like us will come and close those loopholes or reconnoit.
Yeah.
Steve?
So address about
Fair enough.
Yeah.
I always say
Yeah.
Orlando Pirate, for example, because I'm saying Orlando Pirate because I'm with Orlando Pirate fans.
Yes.
Plays in Orlando, Steve.
Yes. Gas.
Kokas.
Yeah.
Wabon?
Yeah.
We wish Lerena as Sundowns. Ne? Yes, it's central. It's accommodating everyone.
Yes.
This area. Ne?
Yes.
But we want the game, the betting Mamelodi, and you come and see for yourself.
Attendance.
Wabon? I know I shouldn't go become Mamelodi before, Steve.
Yeah. Ke batla ho.
Wabon? Ro lebella final go Mamelodi, Steve.
Yeah.
Yeah, pyramid. Highway.
Yeah.
Wabon?
Oh.
It better dry.
Okay, I know flow.
Better dry.
I know.
O tlo bona hore Mamelodi e tshwereng,
O
Steve.
jwetse yokes.
Wa understand?
Yeah.
Ke tlo tshwara
Yeah.
hore by the way, I've always, people they always say I'm a card carrying member ya Mamelodi Sundowns. Aki fene ya ho bolela ka molomo.
Yeah.
Mamelodi West Branch.
Windmill.
Wabon?
Yeah.
I also engage other supporters to try and bring attendance more stadium, Steve.
Hey.
Yes, I know hore wabona when a celebration like this it need a full house. Unfortunately, some other things are beyond our control.
Yeah.
Wabon, we wish
Yeah.
to fill up the stadium every time.
Yeah.
But we're still having a supporters tse leng hore aba understand hore a team of Sundowns caliber.
Yeah.
Ne, when you are supporting that team, ne, you also have to physically come and support that team.
Yes.
Because that one person, if you're saying ra mama ngotlai are na privilege o tshwana le Pirate le Chiefs bagana banna group e otlhe ya se gaming.
Yeah.
Wa understand? Hona le group e ngwe ba sa itse yo attend that.
Yeah.
Wabon?
Yeah.
And publicity, Steve, Sundowns need to get publicity. Wabon?
Yeah.
It needs to get publicity. It like I know, but I understand how why I great publicity, Steve.
Why?
You see, honali the supporter. I mean, honali the supporter tse leng hore they also mo mmereko. Mara ke supporter ya Chiefs or ke supporter ya Pirates.
Yeah.
Wabon?
Yeah.
So ba tla bolela ba rena re to celebrate. Ba for example, once or Chiefs they winner, Steve. You celebrate e bona hale because of why their journalists tse leng hore ke ma Chiefs o tla mmereko hae Steve o shapa Spanish sa hae ha shapa Spanish sa hae team ya hae ya win so that privilege ya the publicity e tlo e kreya Renar, unfortunately, I'm a journalist, Steve. I wish I was going to the media house.